One side's always going to feel better than the other, because we're one-sided as well as our horses. Just try to stay nice and soft with your arms. At the same time, giving him support. And wait. Now look. Look. Yep, take your time. Okay, bring him back to the trot. Just the correct lead. Hands low. Good. Now leg yield him. And then trot it again. Right side is actually an easier side. Look. Yeah. Good. You got the lead there because you looked ahead. Now sit. Eyes up. Soften. Soften. Bring him back to the correct lead. Canter left. Yep, slow him down. Good. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. That's it. 1, 2. Soften your left arm. There you go. Really good. Try to soften your left shoulder. Look. Sit. Soften. Give. There. Let him walk.